invincible. This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday. I hope everyone's had a great night. Ready for a great day. We are bleeding out. Call CSI. Somebody has bloodied the market. Wait, where's my chat? My chat is missing. Give me a second. There we go. Anyway, look at that. ES, one green candle, two green candles the entire day so far on the 1 hour chart. NQ had one there and one there barely. It was a doji. We are just falling. High on ES 717, low 655. So what's that? 45 and 17, 55, 60, 62 points in range. I'm not sure I've ever seen ES with 62 points of range in a night. NQ 597 down to 259. That's a more than a 300 point drop. Just whoosh. Dow, not quite as bad. Copper falling. New low. About 120 ticks. Ultra bond rising. I see ultra bond rising. But only about half a point. Gold made a new all-time high last night. 24.87.4. Still sitting at 24.74. It's about 21 points. Crude oil rising as we speak. About 80 ticks of range. Natural gas pulling back. And Bitcoin has been having a time. Got up to almost 66K. It's pulled back. It's at 64.8. So that's the way it sits there. Whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning, we are rising up a little bit here. News this morning, building permits come up in about 27 minutes. Industrial production comes up at 9:15, and crude oil inventories at 10:30. Now, apparently TradeDay's still having a what's the word I'm looking for? It's having an issue. Multi-firm issue. There we go. I can't trust to trade it yet at this point. Hey, Juan, good morning. So I'll be trading the Topstep X accounts this morning. Trying to get some things going there, I guess. Let me see, actually, if I can. I see some weird things. Hold on. Chrome. That's what I want? No. Not even showing the Topstep X window? Really? Maybe? There we go. I guess it's considered Chrome, but there we go. Okay, so there's going to be my Topstep X window. Let me try and resize it. I usually don't try and do this in the middle of the stream. Oh, not in the middle, but if I had to enter a trade, we'll just turn that on. That way you guys will be able to see it. I missed a short there doing that. How's the market been treating you? One. Gonna bounce here. Possibly. No, it's still the purple and blue are still engulfing. See? Body engulfing. So you see how the purple was bigger than this previous green, this blue was bigger than this previous purple, etc. They're engulfings. Doesn't have to engulf the wick, just the body. So you can see it counts this one here as an engulfing, even though the wick was below. Just because it was candles bigger than that tiny little body. Same here. You're welcome. Yeah, if I had been watching, I mean, there was been a couple of spots that I might have been the ones to jump in, but I hate big trends. I always never feel comfortable getting in big trends. Nice pop back up. Seeming like it wants to come up now some. Good. I'm glad you made a few points. Seems like we might have, yeah, maybe this was our low. We'll have to keep an eye. 259. Heading back up. And it's moving today. I mean, our ATR is, at this time of day, is often under 5 or even under 4. And right now we're at 7.9. So we got some movement going on. We just got to take advantage of it. Back up to that 100 EMA. Gold's popping up too. We're going to pull back a little bit here, but we'll see. Sitting on that 100 EMA. Still sitting here. 305. This is a nice rise up. We are moving. We are moving on up. Oh, oh. Sorry. 5-minute blue candle there would have been perfect, that engulfer. I didn't trust it because we were hitting that EMA, but it got past it easy. Pulling back a little bit here. Very overextended on the 5. Where's my chart? But not overextended enough to pull back yet. Pulling down a little bit. Took a short here. Just because we were overextended on the 5. It's already back in the range. So I have a tight target on it. And we might just get out here. So like it wants to bounce on the 9. That's 9, yes, a 9. Let's see, hold on. Yeah, there we go. Quick $85 there. Just a few points. Testing that whole getting above 30 when spread on the RSI. There we got up to 35, 38 there. So I thought we were gonna come down, and we did. So I jumped in. I should have put my target at the 9. I mean, I'm sorry, the 20 there. You can see it came down to the 20, but still, we got 4.25 points there. So first trade of the day is a good one on Topstep. Remember, we're not trusting TradeDay. Everyone's still advising to not trade with TradeDay, including Blue Sky and MyFundedFutures. So we will do the Topstep. Morning, Speed Racer, and how are you? Thank you, Juan. I'm doing all right. It's still coming, so I could have held the trade, but first one of the day. This is currently using a Topstep Eval as I feel out the market. Might go to one of the funded accounts here in a bit. This Eval I reset the other day, and first day I hit max daily loss, so I have to dig out of a hole. Remember, folks, anyone that's joining and it's not aware, TradeDay for multiple firms is still having issues. TradeDay has not given firms any indication that the issue is fixed yet, so you probably want to not trade on them. See a blue candle there, right on the 20 and it's actually on the 20 and the 9. But I don't know. I'm just not feeling it here. And now we have a purple candle forming. Kind of a weird area here. Weird area. Gold just trying to get back up to highs. This was an all-time high last night on gold. Just watching it just continue to rise. 24.87.4 all-time high. You gotta think gold wants 2,500. You just feel like it, but we'll see. I will say that when we were hitting we had dipped a few months back, we dipped under 2,000 and it came back up. And just as I was hitting 2,000 again on gold, Sid Chase said we're going to 3,000. And so far, he's looked like pretty brilliant on that. It's kind of resting here around 309. Dancing on the EMAs. Kind of want to go short here, but we'll see. I'll be playing with fire. It's kind of a advanced to read. Oh, yeah, that's right. We do have news. Thank you for that reminder, John. Good morning. How the heck are you? Yep, housing starts coming up in 30 seconds. Morning, Crypticon. How is the grass cutting? Yeah, news in 17 seconds, Crypticon. Housing starts, and then industrial production at 9:15 Eastern. So for the news didn't knock our socks off. Did you get your PA set up yet, Crypt? Nice, John. Nice. Oh, there's a rise up. I see. Bad news rising. Have you tried taking a trade with it? Excellent. Hey, JJR. 5 hours, JJR? That's terrible. Okay, well, be careful. I mean, thing with Apex is, I mean, if there are major trade fade issues, they'll erase your red day if they decide that there was enough issues to that it was, As of now, from what I've seen, Blue Sky and MyFundedFutures have said not to continue, not to trade evade at this point yet. But so I'm trading Topsteps today. Gold pulls back on that news. Crude's pulling down. Mid caps look tired. right, Crypticon, enjoy your breakfast. We're a bit stagnant right now. Right there, folks, if you're enjoying the stream, I appreciate if you would gore that like button. Let YouTube know you like it, so recommend it to other people. There's a rise up. I see NQ rising. I see profits on the way. Pulls back. Comes back down. Falling. Down to the 20 and 100. Close enough. Yeah, the All-Star game just doesn't have the same meaning it used to. I mean, it was an all right game. We saw some offense, but the Otani homer was awesome. But those uniforms were ugly. I miss the days when they let them just wear their team uniforms. Here's that pullback I expected, but it just doesn't have the same meaning it used to. It's almost like baseball isn't two leagues anymore. It's just all one league because of interleague play and the way the players move around and all this stuff. Falling here, coming back down, broke 300. Now there's talk, John, that in 2028 they might forego the All-Star game and allow Major League players to play in the Olympics. Yeah, because it's in Los Angeles in 2028, so it's not a lot of travel. But I think they would need, to have like the season stop for longer than the All-Star break, though. I think it'll need to be like 7 to 10 days. So that is a little bit of a logistics issue. I agree, 35 wheeling. I mean, it was probably a little over the top of Pete to do that, but yeah, there was intensity in those games. Dave Parker throwing out Brian Downing at the plate in 1979, things like that, Yeah, the uniforms are atrocious. Even the home run derby this year. I mean, I enjoy the home run derby, but even that this year, I don't know. It just seemed like in previous years, balls were going further. I think the highest was 477 this year. And I think there's only like four over 450. Where I swear, just a couple years ago, you were constantly seeing 480s, 490s, and even in one or two touch 500 feet. And so I still think that ball's been deadened. Rising back up here a little bit. Thought about taking that right there, but I didn't. Could have got 4 points. Pulls down. Yeah, I mean, they gave him a bonus ball if it was over a certain level, but yeah, I mean, it's just. Honestly, for the most part, I feel like they weren't even swinging that hard, which is you don't really need to swing hard for home runs, but everyone is just so worried about being injured that, I don't know. Making sure your national anthem singer isn't drunk might also be a good thing. So we're sitting here at 285, our low 259. After a big drop all night long. Just complete bleed out. It's summer. People aren't supposed to get flus in the summer. Hope you're feeling better, Ace. Get some rest, my friend. Yeah. Yeah. Ace, you should tell K-pop to trade for you today. Good morning, Moxie. How are you? Trying to get back up to 2,300. Touches it. So will it try to reclaim some of what it lost overnight to, or will we continue downward? Find out this and more when after the bell did out. Sorry. Anyway, about 45 minutes till the bell. Nice rise back up. Pulls back a little bit. Oh, I forgot to change Nightbot. The 90% Bulenox is back. Let me go in and change that. I have so many things I need to change when there's a sale. Pulls down. Look at that. Purple candle off the 100 EMA there probably would have been a great signal, but I wasn't thinking. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. And bounces. I don't know where we're going. I only know where we've been. Stagnant here right now. Let's see where we go. Just hanging right under 300. Come on, we want some excitement. 5 minutes till the top of the hour. Morning, Chris. How you doing? Pulls down. Back down. We got down to 280 earlier. Back there now. 259s are low. Still, look at this. I mean, just still completely red. Dow's kind of joining in now. It's looking like it wants the dam to break. There might be a bounce there. It might be a bounce. More bounce to the ounce. Nope, no bounce. Would have been actually a good purple candle to take, but I was like, duh. Well, top of the hour. We have one trade so far this morning, small one. 4 points. Trading a Topstep account today until we figure out if TradeDay's fixed or not. Ooh, there's a blue candle pop. 30 seconds on it. Let's see what it wants to do. Whoops. Oh, going long off that blue candle. It's iffy. See my Topstep X window there. Looks like it's gonna come right back down. Hit the sniff the 9. Yep, stopped out. It's worth a shot. Honestly, it was a mistake. Looking at where the RSI was. It's trying to bounce again there. 273.25, 273.25. Bounced out the same 273.25. Hey, Saudi guy, how you doing? I've taken 2 trades, 1 winner, 1 loser. Down $55 right now. Yep, I will. So I was right, but I was as early. Took the stop. I see it's going now to where I was gonna put my target. 25 minutes till the bell. Yeah. Gold's taking off. Trying to head up to that high. Rise up. Pulls back just a tad. All right, that nice rise. Hits that 100 EMA. Struggling through that 100 to get through that 100 EMA again. Just kind of hanging on it. That's trying. That's trying. How's everybody else doing? Anyone else taking any trades? Let's try it again. Oh, there we go. So I took a short there. It was real quick. I was in at 94.5, out at 91 and a quarter, which means I'm up $6.60 now in the day. I just saw, why did I take it there? Two reasons. And I think it might drop even more, but I just wanted the quick thing. So my RSIs were more than 30 apart again. Starting here, you see 30, 30, 35. And we were running into that 100 EMA. So I took the short, it kind of hemmed and hauled a little bit, and then whoosh. And now it's kind of playing on those EMAs. So it's just that I put my target right on the EMAs, grabbed the quick 3.25 points, back to slightly green. Like all the signals were there for that trade. It is still falling. So yeah, I could have got much more out of that. I was in at 94, just dropped down to 84, so I could have got 10. You'll get that back, Chris. We have industrial production month over month coming up in 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Places, everybody. Tries to bounce here. It does. Nice little bounce. Bounce to the bump, 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 bump. There you go. 15 minutes till the bell. And less than 15 seconds till that next news report. The news report did not knock our socks off. Not a sock knocker. And back down. Purple candle, news candle. Do I want it? I feel this is one I should have went with my instincts on, but we'll see. I'm short. What's our ATR right now? 6. We'll go for a 5-point profit on it, see if we can get it. Which is a terrible R to R, actually. That was a big old purple candle. Honestly, if it pops back above the triad of EMAs, it's kind of tangled up there. I'll just get out there. Triad. There was a word I didn't expect to use this morning. There we go. Target hit. 5-point winner. We're now up 103.80 on the day. Should have went for a bigger move, but that's okay. Could have got a much bigger move there, you see? Yep, it's whooshing. Back down to that area it got down to earlier, 278. This is hit 272, actually. 259 is the overnight low. Will we drop further? You can see here on this hourly chart, we have not had a green candle. On the ES, we haven't had a green candle since last night, 10 o'clock Eastern. We have one little doji candle here on NQ at the 5 o'clock candle, but it's just been a bloodbath. Now, of course, when you see it just go one direction this much, you expect a bounce. But that can get you in a lot of trouble, catching the falling knife, as they say. But we shall see. There's a bounce again. My better target there on that last trade would have been putting my target at the Bollinger. Because if it was going to come straight down to the Bollinger like it did, could have got, I was at 282. Bollinger's at It's like 273. Yeah. So it could have got 9 there. As we wait for the bell, 10 minutes to go. There you go. ES making new lows. The NQ's almost there. 59 is the low. It's at 81. You can see, and good morning, G-Man. You can see we haven't been this low on NQ, wow, since July 3rd, that half day. Rising up. Nice bounce. So bounced off the ES low a day. NQ did not get to its low a day, but it's wanted to bounce with its friend ES. Because who doesn't want a friend to bounce with? Comes back up, sniff that 100 EMA. It's sniffing it. Second time I knocked over my soda today. 5 minutes to go. Get that little bit of a wonkiness that we get at 5 minutes till. Down, back down. Globex, I think, just made a new low day. I mean, not Globex, ES. Bleh. It did. AQ. Every time it tries to bounce, it really hasn't. You can see here, this is the 5-minute chart I have over in the top left. You know, we bounced from that 259 up. Did get it back up to 317, and now we're back down to 270s. And I mean, it's definitely looking like it could continue down. The hourly chart looks like it wants to bounce, but oh yeah, poked and popped. Ooh, there's a new one. Poked and popped. No ace today to tell us 2-minute warning, so it's the 2.5-minute warning. And then dropping again. There's NQ going for its low day right before the bell. It just hit new low day. Why am I sounding so excited? It's not that big of a deal. Anyway, I had a bounce right here before the bell. Down it comes. 256 low. ES 56.52 low. 5 seconds till the bell. Continues to whoosh down. It's a whooshing machine. G-Man go boom right after bell. A bell and a boom. I promise I'm not drunk. Big move down. There's a 20-point candle. Now it's starting to try and bounce. I'm late. You know what? Now Topstep X froze up. Comes back down. Pops back up. Took a 3-point win there at Topstep. Now Topstep X is freezing. Do I not have any freaking platforms I can use today? Falling. Yep. Everybody's complaining about it. Yeah, Topstep X is frozen. So right now they're saying don't trade on Tradeovate. Topstep X is frozen, so I can't trade right now even if I wanted to. I don't think I'll want to. I did get lucky and I did take a $60 win on that last trade. I took the long, and I mean I probably got lucky there because it came right back down. But right now Topstep X is frozen. I don't know if it's safe to take a trade on Tradeovate. I mean I guess I got my Apex Rhythmic that I could take a trade on. Maybe. Yeah, it's still falling. Low a day now is 235. ES those popped. ES going the opposite way of the NQ today. Right now yet. Has a beautiful pop on ES. 52 up to 65. Wow. Huge pop. Gold popping. And now my NQ froze. There we go. I mean, my NT, Ninja Trader. Anything work right? Nice, beautiful move there on gold. Beautiful. Still say gold wants 2,500. It's a 35-point candle there on NQ. Long on Apex. Ooh, crap. It did not get where I was hoping on Apex. I gotta take the stop. And pop for a quick and then whoosh. Oh, Apex is no longer in the green. Let's hope we can get that back. It was stupid of me to take a big blue candle like that. I always say I don't like big trigger candles. That was a 42-point candle. Should have waited for the pullback. And down it comes. Forward 2 steps back. Dow popped big time as well. There's NQ coming back down and ES is pulling back now. Let's see what Topstep X is doing. Yep, still frozen on Topstep X. I think. If anyone's trading on Topstep X, you can see it's probably not worth continuing to try. Hey, Hassan. Rhythmic right now is the best of the three. Never thought I'd say that. No, yeah. I mean, right now it seems like every platform, man. I know Rhythmic was having issues sometime this week too. Yeah, it's just like every platform. I don't know. No, was it? Yeah, you're a Fed speaker? I didn't see that earlier. Oh, I think it did here. Barkin's Barkin? Is that who it is? Barkin? No, Waller. 40. Wait, positive 40 ticks there, Hassan? The negative sign before the 40, I think, tricked me there. Oh, negative? Wait, you said you went long? Did the Dow go long? Oh, you got in at the end of that first candle, 5-minute candle. Ooh, sorry, didn't mean to hit the mic. We're still falling here, 220. Well, you can get that back. Is it bouncing? Is it bouncing? Up to the 9. Nope. Yeah. And down we come. Hey, David. Well, I mean, right now it seems like nobody can trade. Every platform having issues. Besides Rhythmic, I mean, Rhythmic right now is stable, but it's Rhythmic, so that ain't gonna last long. I'm curious. I gotta go look. Alpha Futures is using the same platform as Topstep X. I'm curious if they're having issues as well. Yep. Alpha Ticks, their Alpha Futures platform also froze. Yeah. Looks like Topstep X is moving again. It looks like it's back. Definitely is down for about 10 minutes. I should have just YOLO the trade because they're probably going to wipe out all red trades. Yeah, I think that's what it is, G-Man. You know, they have issues. They've grown too fast. Well, from what I've heard, TradeDay is having issues with some live, for some live as well. Topstep X, of course, it's not have a live thing, but sitting here at 2:30 now. Okay, my Topstep X is matching my trading view, so it appears to be okay now. Hanging on that 9 EMA on the 1 minute chart. Feel like it wants to pop here, but Not going to just guess at that. There's a blue candle. And right back that whoosh. Wow, glad I did not fall for that blue candle. That would have hurt. Yeah, it's a purple candle. Technically a trigger for me, but I can't. I just can't. I can't right now. There's no way I can go short. So I'm not taking that trigger. If it proves me, if it ends up flushing, that's fine. Why not? What Hassan? I The trend is your friend, but I don't know. Eventually, this trend is going to stab us all in the back. Yeah, Chef would do it. Chef is for those that missed it. Chef went short early last night and closed out a $4,200 trade at some point in the wee hours of the morning. And for those of you who don't know who Chef is, you should be on the Discord. And for those of you that might feel a little bit hopeless if you keep blowing evals or blowing funded accounts, Chef and Justin X should both be inspirations to you because last year around this time or so, those two were both blowing multiple accounts a week. Or they will get funded and they'll blow multiple accounts. And those of you who told me I should go short, right? You would have cost me major money there. So it is definitely possible to go from blowing multiple accounts a week to, I mean, I'm guessing Chef's probably withdrawn 20,000 this year, but just from what he's posted, it might be off on that estimate. But and I know Justin's done more. Justin did $10,000 in one day the other day. Yeah, going short there would have hurt. He is, but like I said, I mean they both were blowing accounts left and right like a year ago. I know Chef was close to quitting once or twice, which shows you shouldn't quit. I'm liking your thinking there, G-Man, based on my RSI here. I think we're getting a little overextended. G-Man always goes for 5 points. Well, I shouldn't say always. Depends on how it's moving. 5 points is usually what he's doing. Trying to bounce on the 9. Took the short on Topstep X. Boom. We're up 10 points. We're up almost 15. It's pulling back. Going to take it there. So 11 point, 10 and a half. Took 10 and a half there. So we are now 5 for 6 on trading on the Topstep X account today. Up 368. Yeah, but Hassan, if I had gotten in there and I would have had to not have gotten stopped out, I would have had to have taken 39 points of heat or something like that. 29, something like that. And now it's popping back up. Yeah, that sounds about right, David. Ace should be deuce. Yeah. We'll need to get Ace to change his name to Deuce. Although there's a bad connotation to that. Yeah, I believe G-Man got his. Yeah, G-Man got his 5 there. I'm assuming. Right back down. So maybe Hassan was right after. Maybe everybody was right. I was right not to take the short there, and maybe this is the short to take. Still not taking it. And maybe this is the short to take. No more fire drills at all? This was the short I should have taken, by the way. Wow, whoosh. There's G-Man go boom down to the 100 EMA on the EES. So that was the short I should have taken, Hassan. You know, that's just cocky. That's this also doesn't bode well for what when he said a little over a month ago about getting rid of the affiliate program. Look at that, down to 179. $175. I mean, look at this. This is just an amazing day. From top to bottom now, we've dropped over 400 points. ES not as droppy. Five-minute chart, there was also a purple trigger there. I'll get better at that eventually. I should have trusted that purple there. I admit that. It felt different because it felt different than this one. You know, I was more apt to trust this. This one was we had this grind down and just kind of whooshed. That felt like it was the end of a move, and it was. And then we pulled back, and then this was like the continuation of the move. So, man, there's no reason for me not to take the second purple. Still falling. Bounce here. Bounce to the bounce to the bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. That's a 60-point candle. There's a blue one. Nope, not gonna stick. It's probably gonna go here, and it did. Considered taking it, but Getting close there, Hassan. Those are you trading crude oil, if anyone's trading crude oil. You have your inventories coming up in about 24 minutes. NQ right back down. Whoosh. I've been saying that a lot today. Whoosh. Oh, there's 54, Hassan. NQ all the way down to 138. ES really hasn't expanded its range much. 52 up to 17. NQ continues to just die. There's your 53 and down to 51, Hassan. Ace is going to be mad that he missed this. You're gonna miss this. No. Down to that big round number, 5650. Gold giving it up as well. Mid caps coming down. Everything's coming down. Did I miss something? Does anyone know why we're selling off this hard? I mean, is there something that I missed? Did the market like want the National League to win the All-Star game last night or something? Almost got to that 47 there, Hassan. I did get to 47.75. Seeing a blue candle here. Let's see if it goes away. Hmm. Yep, that's how I usually spend my Saturday nights. Blue candle getting a little bit of momentum here. Yep, went away. Back to red. We've slowed down. The fall, the rate of the fall has slowed down. Yep, there's 47 for you, Hassan. Great calls. Rips through there. Not really rips. See if I'm stupid. Wow. Took the long. Target 9 EMA. Oh, I got it before I could even show my window. You can see it there, 115 to 126, right to the 9 EMA. See my cursor moving it there. So that's another 10 and 3/4 points. I'm now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 out of 7 on the day, 580 on this Topstep Eval. Wish I'd been trading the funded account, but that's okay. Took a max loss on this account the other day, when that max daily loss. So fighting to get that back. Looks like this is the little bit of a bounce here now. Well, I mean, we were down 500 points. 597. No, well, not quite 5. Yeah, actually, exactly 500. 597 was the high. The low here is 097. So exactly 500 points to the tick. And that's where we're bouncing. Blue candle on the 9 EMA here. Let's see what it does. Taking the long. This one's a little, makes me nervous. Yeah, this one's going to come down, back down on me. Watch. Yep, so I just gave back most of my profit. One entry 140 out of 121. Blue candle faked me out. So we're down to only 192 on the day. And it's coming right back up. Gonna try it again. Long. Got it. I went 2 contracts for a small gain there. Got my profit back, a $370 win. Yeah, I was kind of wondering that myself, bro. Good. I didn't go for a big target there. I mean, it did go 12. So I just got mad there because I decided to go 2 contracts. Wish I had gone 5. Kind of hemming and hawing here. Looking overextended on the RSI. But I think it still wants to push up here. But with as red as we've been, can't guarantee that. 10 minutes to crude oil inventories. Always nice to find out how crude we can be. Knowing you as well as I know some of you, it's pretty darn crude. Coming back down. It's kind of hanging here though. Gold bounced. Hanging here. Can't get through that 20. See, the 100 is way up there, 214. It's like 80 points away. Henry wants to just take a long and shoot for that. How's everybody else doing? Wow, now someone's having trouble with Thinkorswim. Coming down. Moving back. The low is 0.97. ES got back up to 54 after dropping down to 51. Actually got it back up to 60 and bounced off its 100 EMA. %5 on ES would be over 250 points. We have earnings coming out this week, so I don't know. We'll have to see what those earnings look like. I forget who. There's somebody big tomorrow. I forget who, though. I could look, but I'm not that advantageous right now. Big blue candle. Do I take it? Do I like it? Do I love it? Do I want some more of it? You know what? A little bit big for me, so That's what she said. Yep, glad I didn't take that yet. We're long 5 micros. Come on, go, 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 go. I may just get out. Yep, that bounced off that EMA. Let's try to crawl back up. Nope. Out. Yep. Bad decision on my part as usual. Stu, it was not through that EMA. I should have never took it. Yeah. Oh, here it comes back up. So maybe if I just stayed in the trade like I should have. See where it goes. Crude oil inventories. Wow. Whoosh down, popped right back up. See crude oil here. Yeah. I hate myself now. So if I had my stop below that blue candle there, and you can see now I'll be back in profit. I use micros to reduce my risk, and I still don't allow myself to take the full risk there. Still struggling. Bulenox back to 90%. If anyone's interested in Bulenox, 90%. Option 1. It's still struggling here. Just kind of paused. There we go. Now it's starting to try and break up. See if it gets any momentum. Nope. And back down. Long. I have a big target. I put my target up at the 100 EMA. I probably won't hold that long, but we'll see. I shouldn't be dumb. I should just take the 200. Yeah, I should have took the 200. We were stopped to the bottom of that candle. Yeah, I should have took the 200, 300 that it gave me. Oh, maybe. Come on. There you go. Get some momentum. There you go. Get some momentum. Get it. Uh, Taking it up there. I mean, that was stupid. I gave back half. Still a 10-point trade, but I didn't like where that was going. I was hoping that I should have looked. I was realizing that was going through the bands. It might still pop back up, but as soon as I hit the bands, I should have been out. That was stupid of me. So win. Back up to being 558, but I could have been up like 700. Back down to that 20 EMA, and now trying to bounce again, like we did last summer. Oh wow, pops back up. Whoosh. Still feel like it wants to get up to that 100 EMA. This is at 194 now, but maybe not. Rejects down again. 20 minutes going to stream. How's everybody doing today? I did not take that blue candle, but it would have worked. So there it's going. It's trying. It's trying. Let's see that blue candle there on the 5. Still have this urge to just go long. I don't have an account I can waste. I could just do it with 1 micro. You know, let's do that. Maybe. Yeah, John looks like it wants to be a down day. We're long. Pulling back. Might be giving back. Should have went with micros. There we go. Maybe. Come on, break through. Break out. Come on, break out. Doesn't a break through 170. There we go. Yep. Up then down, up then down. There we go. Come on. It's good. It gave me a chance to get out twice and I didn't. Yep. Stopped out. Idiot for not taking it. A couple of times. I could be up so much more today if I just took the profits. MyFundedFutures has unhalted TradeDay. TradeDay issues affected both simulated and live accounts, and TradeDay is not reimbursing live funds. ETC, yeah, I'm a scalper. Should have taken that purple. I didn't react fast enough. That purple was perfect. That was a perfect purple in every shape of the imagination. Yeah, I do. I mean, I'll grab with momentum trades as well. I don't just look for reversals, but you know, I don't hold long term. My average trade time is like 2 minutes. I mean, there's some definite advantages to you know, trend trading as well. Like there's a guy in the Discord that went short last night on NNQ and got $4,000 by staying in it for over 200, far over, however, yeah, 200 points or whatever. Still coming down. Still a good stream. We're up 425. Should be up more. It wasn't the greatest trading. I should have taken profits quicker on a couple of trades. I got greedy. Blue candle or trying to form. And there's a pop back up. Wow, big pop back up. I love it when you call me Big Pop. Oh, sorry. How we finishing up today, guys? Purple, sorry about the static. Purple candle bounce. Blue candle's kind of enticing. I got in late. Doesn't seem to want to go up. Purple candle. I want to thank everyone for joining me today. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. Stay green. We're finishing up 423 on the day. We'll be back tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern time for another great day of trading action. Have a great day, everybody. See you then. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.